Good evening all. Today I come with a problem of subwoofer, that subwoofer not turning on. So what I do, I just open it here. I already open it, just take it, and I am showing that the battery inside, it has a battery. Here it is, and battery 3.7 volt and 2.40 mAh. Okay, I open the battery first and I want to see you that one battery has damaged and sulfur is there is a sulfur. So I just open the battery and take another new one and doing a series connection. So I am trying to soldering. And this one is, see, this one is positive. In my meter I am touching the lead positive here and negative here, and this is showing 2.82. and another one, this one is positive side. I take the red lead and black lead here, and this one is 3.75. So this one new one and this is old one. So I touch it. Now this side is positive and this side is negative, and I series connection. I am doing a series connection, so positive and negative. Now I am measuring the voltage. Coming 6.59. Now it is coming 6.59. Just wait. There it is. Now I am going to attach. This one is positive. Now I am going to soldering. Now it is going on. You see the light? You see the light? Thank you.